for my first grandson Noah in Hong Kong. He's turning 2 today. And also my friend Grace in California. Happy birthday, Noah! Happy birthday, Grace! And to all of you that are celebrating your birthdays today, guys, wishing you all a very happy birthday. It's getting very windy here. These are all Plumeria buds. And this is my Anthurium. This is my pineapple crown. That's my line. Hope you're all having a great week, guys. Stay safe and healthy. Bye-bye for now. Mahalo to all of you. Hello.